Ate girl, kumusta naman po ba yung salary dyan sa Germany? Well, to be honest, it's not competitive compared halimbawa sa Australia, sa US, Canada, ganyan. But I would say that in Germany, komportable yung pamumuhay namin dito. Andyan kumbaga yung stability lalo na sa healthcare. Halimbawa, nawalan ka ng trabaho, no? Pwede kang makakuha ng financial assistance sa gobyerno. Yung offer ng salary sa mga lokal will be the same to you then as well, and pati sa tax. You can have your own apartment. Pwede tayong magkaroon ng permanent residency after 5 years of working here in Germany. You have unlimited sick leave, as we call it, and we have more than 30 days of vacation leaves. So definitely, there's always pros and cons whenever you wanted to choose kung ano ba yung country ang maganda or whatnot. But I want you to make a comparison for yourself so that you can decide on your own kung alin bang country yung giay na talaga para sa iyo. And what I wanted to say is that whatever your decision is, know what will best work for you. Kasi ikaw sa ikaw lang, girl, ang makakaalam